What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Welcome to Spy Weekly. Today is April 20th, 2024, Saturday local time, 7:22 p.m. If you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on X, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Don't forget to press the bell icon on YouTube for the latest updates. This is my X account. I'm right here. Um, that's me. Okay. I have been actively posting trades. Let's go down. So, what I wanted to discuss was that firstly, when if you go to last week's spy weekly, you will understand I clearly there was a trend line which I discussed that it has been breached. You can go and check it out, and I was like, it can change, but understand, until your long trades are catching your stops, you're not exiting. Are you getting my point? Similarly, if you're short in the market, if your short trades are not catching your SL stop loss levels, then you will be in the trade. You don't panic and exit. All right. Now, when I do take the course, I have batches as well. I explain and I make sure that people are able to understand that if you have analyzed an instrument, you need to make sure that you have your entries, your stop loss, and your targets defined. I'm talking logical here. Understand, if you're long and trade is going in your direction, so you are all positive, you're all green. Okay. Now the thing is, you don't even know where to exit. Okay, and you don't have the rules how to trail, where to exit, and if a trade goes against you, you don't even know where to exit again. So there are set defined rules for trading, because this is a business where you need to exit. You don't hold on to a losing trade. And any trader who's showing you that he or she is all green and they have analyzed this, nobody, I cannot predict the future. I can analyze it. Okay. And I don't fight with the market. All you can do is you have to accept. You need to analyze and then accept. If anybody's telling you, okay, it's going to go short or long, it's going to gap down, gap up on Monday, nobody knows. Because logically, understand, you are listening to me and you are probably on the other side of the world, and I am here, all right, in US and Canada. I'm sitting here and talking. Understand, I cannot stop your buying or selling. If you are an institution or you are a normal retailer, I don't know. I cannot know. So how can I predict the future? Because I cannot stop nobody from buying and selling. This is all logical, but anyways, let's jump back onto SPY and discuss what can happen. What is the probability? I'm using the word probability here. What is the probability? So trend is down on daily and weekly. Our trend is sideways, two down, or you can say sideways. But look at the selling pressure. Now the weekly candle has been closed, and look at the selling pressure right here. Look at the volume here as well. All right, so everybody is bearish. That is proving that. And this candle is 3% down. Okay, now you have a supply zone right here at the very top. Okay, this is a supply zone. Now look here on daily. Look here on daily. This is all like it's going up. It has a lot of momentum, but momentum is not holding. Again, indicators are not your primary source, shouldn't be your primary source for trading. Price is your god. Okay, when you're trading, price is your god. So understand and start reading price action. What is price action? A lot of people ask. It's the action of the price. You need to understand what candle is trying to tell you. I'm going to explain you this price action. Pay very careful attention. Not this one, my bad. This price action, and it is all logical. You will say, yeah, man, this guy is making logic. So logically, if you will understand, this price action is very simple. Now, now this is selling pressure, and if you do remember, almost every single day price was gapping up and then red, gapping up and red. Okay, now what can happen is, we can definitely have a bounce. Okay, we can have a bounce. By bounce I mean it can again gap up and then break this, because this level, if this is broken, uh, I'm not saying that you have to be long. This should be broken because there's a lot of selling pressure. But if it holds and you are short, and you have a close contract for this week or whatever, it's gonna ruin your contract. Understand that. So whenever, this is where you should have booked your target. Like if you're short, you should have exited here irrespective of it's going down, because there are pending orders here. Okay, it can ruin all your gains. Now understand logically, this can push the price up on the upside. And while going up, look here, look here. So while going up, we have this supply. Okay, this is a supply zone. We have it right here at 499. Now, if this guy breaks, this is not yet broken. Let me go on 4 hours and check it. Let me turn on the drawings for a second. Okay, now let's go on 4 hours, and yeah, this is not broken. So this level can again trap you. I'm going to turn off the drawings. So this level can again trap you because this actually has pushed the price here. So there is somebody here. Until this is broken, you shouldn't short, because if the buying orders are triggered, you will lose all your money. Anyways, now while price is coming down, it's making new supply zones, and I can show you here as well. This is one. Price goes in here. People who have been studying with me, they can now relate. So what has happened here was that there was a supply zone right here. Price goes in, boom. There's another supply zone right here. But now understand logically, price has actually hit a demand zone. So supply and demand have hit together. So we have selling pressure from here and then buying pressure from here. So what can happen is, logically understand, sellers are pushing the price down, buyers are trying to push the price up. So what can happen? Price can go sideways. This is not a level for you to short. Okay, this is EMA 20. It's trending right now, and whenever EMA 20 is far away from price, two things can happen. Firstly, it's right now price is cheap, like it is being discounted. What can happen is, now two things will happen. Either price will go sideways, so that then EMA 20 will come and catch the price, or price will bounce back. If it goes down, let it go down, who cares? But once this level is broken, this is your another buying level, 484, and then this one I will explain you. Now understand, all this price action is also in happening inside weekly. So this was your weekly. Okay, and understand, one level is broken. Definitely when selling came in, think for a second, clear your brain, think logically. This was a demand zone, poor whatever, it was a demand zone, so it must be having some pending orders. Now when this was breached, a lot of buyers that were here must have absorbed selling pressure as well. Now another demand zone weekly. Now some sellers were absorbed here. Now other would be absorbed here as well. Some would be absorbed here as well. So the sellers will also get tired shorting the market. Understand logically. We have buyers here, buyers here. Sellers are coming in, they are getting absorbed by buyers, they are getting absorbed by buyers. Now they will also get tired, and for some time, if they let loose, price can bounce back. Trend is with us. This is the beauty of the trend. Now trend on weekly is sideways, but on daily it's down, and on every single time frame from here it's down. So trend is with us. We can short, but I would suggest that once this level is breached, then we have more chances that, if it breaks and then moves up, the more it goes up, every bounce will take, should I'm using the word should, it should take it further down. But understand, you need to exit here. You definitely need to, don't touch the market here, don't touch the market here. I'm telling you right away. If you're watching this, 476, mark this level. From 476 to 466, powerful levels. Don't do it. If it breaks, it breaks, but it will ruin if you are short in the market. Now understand this. This is all logical. So understand, price was um, coming down, it comes down here, so it gaps down. So this candle, look here, this candle closed at 474.93, and this candle opens at 471. So this one closes at 474, almost 475, and then this one gaps down and opens at 471.82. So it could have opened here or somewhere near the closing body of this candle, but it gaps down, goes down. So understand now logically, this is all logic. So it opened here. Okay, this candle opened at 471. Then it started going down. So for whatever time during this daily session, so for some time it was a red candle. That is why it was down, and it made a low of 469.87 as well. So it was a red candle. Then suddenly buying came in, and it is a green candle, like doji green candle. It turned into, so buyers pushed it up. Are you getting? Who pushed it up? Somebody special, and that is why price started going up. Now, after this, whosoever, and definitely somebody entered here. That is why it was a red candle. It was turned green, and then next day, this candle gaps up. Look at this. This is all logic. If you're missing out this part, I don't know what to say. This is price action at its very best, and I understand, and I'm sure. I'm telling you, whatever I'm saying, I'm very much sure what I'm confident in my work. Understand this. This candle closed at 472.29. Look here, 472.29, and look at this one. It gaps up. It was gapping down. It gaps up at and opens at 474. It makes a low. So for on, look here at the bottom. So on Jan 18th, this candle was also turning red, but suddenly whosoever created positions here, so powerful. Not only that individual pushed the prices up, it rallied crazily. Look here. So somebody is here, definitely. I know I can track it. You can do whatever if you're listening. If that I don't know if this is for real or not. Like the person is listening to me or not, but I can understand that there is somebody. Price action is telling me nothing is hidden here. Price action is clearly telling me somebody is here, and that person, that individual, will try to protect the position. I will go long here, understanding the current like the situation of the market at that time. But why I'm confident about these levels, I want to go long from 473. Okay, if there is new price action, definitely will trade that. But for now, this is all naked. One bounce can come here, then can come here. So first bounce, if this is broken, 493, if it closes below or it makes a wick below 493.77, then this is where you will see a bounce. Then this 473, and in between 466 and 473, you will see a bounce. Okay, so this is very important, and same thing is happening here. Okay, this is also a gap up candle. So but the problem here is that selling pressure is too much, so I'm assuming it will be broken. But the more it gives the bounce, the more reasons, like the more a good RR I will get for shorting the market, because now pending orders will be done from here. Once this is breached, then it is all naked. This might give a bounce, might not. It's not even a level. So understand, momentum is breaking, trend is with us now. It's turning down. You will see a pop, definitely. I'm going to show you two more things and then we'll wrap this up. Look at RSI. RSI is below 30, and a lot of people are thinking that it's oversold. It's on daily, it's like on 31. Okay, it can definitely bounce. Look here, it bounced from here as well, right? You saw a rally from here as well. So RSI is a different ball game. People don't even know how to trade RSI, but I'm telling you, it's under 30. Bounce can come, but once it's gonna bounce, you will have all the resistance. You will have supply zone here, supply. This is a tested one. This can break. This is 510 is a resistance level. Okay, so if I go on weekly, understand it's at 55. RSI is at 55. Again, it can bounce. It's oversold on all time frames. Look at here, 30, 65 minutes, 130 minutes. Okay, it's oversold. Are you getting what the power of oversold is? But even if it goes here, it will give you a loss of momentum. That's what the beauty of RSI is. When we mix, when we trade RSI and price action, that's a different ball game. Anyways, if you do like the analysis, if you did like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView, and you can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. That's me. And I was shorting. I'm telling you, I was shorting. All right. You can go and check it out. Have a wonderful trading week ahead. Bye bye.